What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode, and today we're taking our first look at the upcoming unreleased Travis Scott Nike Cut the Check. This is a brand new model that we haven't quite seen, and in a clip uploaded not too long ago, Travis Scott teases it with Michael Jordan, where you can see it here.
What up, dog?
What up, Black? What up, baby? What's up, man? Oh, man, it's a new meeting today, ain't it?
What you doing, dog?
We over here trying to get it together, man. We're working on that thing.
No, I saw it, man. It looks nice, man. You did a good job. I like it. I love it.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Now, in the past couple of months, Travis Scott, of course, has been seen teasing these sneakers now known as the Cut the Checks. The big thing about them is that they have this little flap here, and we're going to talk about it. Now, in this short but sweet video, I have some photos of him actually wearing them on feet, and although they're a little bit obscure, we now have a better mock-up photo, which is what you saw at the beginning of the video. Now, like he talked about with Michael Jordan, these are crazy looking, and this is the first time that we're seeing a brand new model from the Jordan brand in quite some time, so I am excited to see what exactly they have kind of been cooking up and what they have in store. Now, these next couple of clips, although they kind of were not the best quality and might have been taken on a potato, these are actual photos of Travis Scott, of course, wearing the brand new upcoming Nike Cut the Checks, which again, you can see the main feature is this flap here, which again, I'm not too sure if I'm feeling at the moment, but they might actually grow on me as most things do. Now, the big thing about these as well is not too many people, myself included, were sure what they were actually going to be called, given that Travis Scott was also seen wearing this other unreleased Jordan model not too long ago. However, we've now got confirmation that these are not the Nike Cut the Checks, and these are, again, an unreleased upcoming Travis Scott Jordan model. Let me know what you guys think. Now, the reason I think this is also exciting is because that means that we've got more unreleased Travis Scott Nike Jordan collaborations in the future. And as we can see from the video, it's clear that Travis Scott has got a good relationship with Michael Jordan, aka the owner of the brand and the GOAT, given that they've been cooking up heat together since 2018. Now, the other thing I wanted to point out is this is not the first time that Travis Scott has introduced something different to a sneaker. Just a couple of years ago, he had this Nike SB that had this weird zipper on it as well, and we were lucky to get our hands on it. So if you know which one I'm talking about in the photo, you can definitely see the resemblance. And another thing I also wanted to point out is the most recent Travis Scott Nike Dunk Low, the olives right here with this pretty simple colorway. I'd say you can definitely see how they influence this Nike Cut the Check model, which you guys can again see here in just a moment. So the overlap is definitely there, and I would say that they influenced each other. But either way, I think it's cool to see something entirely new from the Jordan brand again. Now again, this photo is a mock-up, so the actual version might be a little bit different, but I think it's cool to look at, and I think it's still important to talk about. I do see some features of the Jordan 4, and I do see some overlap again with those dunks and maybe some influence even from some ones. But while we're here, guys, let me know what you think. What do you think of these upcoming Nike Travis Scott Cut the Checks? Are these a cop or drop at the moment, or do you have to wait and see if they grow on you? Of course, we're getting even closer to the release of Utopia, so let me know if you're hyped for that. And if you made it this far, stay tuned. You might as well like and subscribe. And as always, guys, thanks for cooking with the kitchen. Stay safe and peace.